Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the SLK Atlas Graphite Pickleball Paddle. I'll tell you, I tried pickleball for the first time and absolutely loved it. I loved the game so much that I went out and decided to get a pickleball paddle. And a couple reasons I got this one. One, I really like the fact that it has the graphite face. And since I am a beginner still at pickleball, I wanted the oversized paddle, but this one is still only seven and a half ounces, so it's really lightweight. I also like the fact that it has good quality grip here as well. And I did a lot of research, and SLK makes a really good pickleball paddle. So overall, I'm extremely happy with this. I will say that my game still needs a lot of improvement, but I'm getting better, and I think a lot of times if you get the right equipment to begin with, it can only help. So overall, I'm really happy with this paddle.